Good morning, good morning. I am at the Phuket airport waiting to go back to Chiang Mai from my mini staycation here in Thailand. I wanted to talk about the water shortage on Phuket because we all hear about these things in the news and we don't really think much of them in Western countries because, we have very secure water supplies for the most part, even in desert regions. Well, I was staying at an accommodation for a week, for 6 days, and 2 days into it, we had no water, like at all. The owners of the hotel had to call private water tank companies to truck in water to their underground tanks. And because of the demand for the service on Phuket right now, we had to wait many hours for even one truck to show up, and the water would only last for 2 to 4 hours maximum. That's with one tank of theirs was 2,000 liters. One was 1,000 liters, and the other was 500 liters. And that would deplete into 2 to 4 hours of people taking showers at the small hotel, flushing toilets, washing their hands, everything like that. Everyone was rationing water for the most part, that I could tell, and we would still run out of water. We would only have water for about 6 hours per day. So if you had to go to the bathroom, you couldn't flush the toilet. You couldn't use the bum gun, things like that. So, they said, they didn't have very much information. So I started looking at the news, only to discover that Phuket right now is under a very severe drought. They don't have enough water right now to support all the resort operations, and it's literally being turned off in neighborhoods. The whole neighborhood that I was staying in had no water, except for private water trucks that would come and fill the underground tanks of buildings. If you're a family of 4 or a family of 3, you definitely can ration water, but when you're a hotel, you can't really control your guests that expect, Western style accommodation, and they're not used to rationing water. I didn't mind personally. I just went along with it because guess what, we're in Thailand. You kind of have to expect stuff like this. But yeah, it was kind of shocking not having water at all for many days. So if you're thinking about going to Phuket right now, I would hold off. Phuket City, I'm told, had water 24/7. I think they may have shut off water to the outlying areas to service Phuket City, to maintain the security of the water to the main city. I was staying in Patong Beach, which is probably a major tourist area as far as I can tell, and water was shut off, at least in the neighborhood I was staying, and I think it was for a lot of parts of Patong Beach. So, like I said, right now there's a severe water shortage on Phuket. I'll link to the article with more information in the description of this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.